Let's talk about halal financing, meaning financing for the Islamic community. This is a faith based mortgage program. It allows individuals to essentially comply with religious beliefs, the Muslim belief of not paying interest, but at the same time being able to purchase homes using kind of the normal mortgage products, meaning this can be used for conventional financing with Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, can be used for FHA, for VA. And essentially, what it does is instead of paying interest, it's think of it as a lease to own. So, in other words, what happens is the property is put in a trust at closing. So, therefore, the borrower, the home buyer, does not actually own the property. They then rent the property from said trust. Now, unlike normal rent payments, the equity here is being applied in terms of ownership. Portion of the ownership is it can be done in two ways, but the ownership is either transferred to the homeowner at the time that they are willing to sell the property, or in the event that they paid off the property. Let's say they were there and they paid it down to zero. At that point, the property does become theirs. So they do not pay interest. The homeowner would pay rent in a lease to own or lease to purchase type scenario. So we put some information down below, but really and truly, it's kind of a normal loan, right? In terms of going through the mortgage process, what to do, what to expect. But the secret sauce is how it's drawn up and how it's legally recorded. But in terms of the process itself, you get pre-approved, you turn in your paperwork, you go find a home, you write a contract. That process is the same as it would be for traditional financing. But with halal financing, you're able to say, okay, let's do that and make it so that, again, it's not paying interest, it's paying rent, but rent that you actually get to keep as a homeowner. So just let us know if you have any questions. We're here to reach out, or here if you need to reach out to us. And as always, when you think mortgage, think Mark.